Hello, 小朋友们. This video I want to talk about the speed of the drawing and how to look. So you'll say like everybody can look, right? And why you need to talk to me how I look at things. But actually my hand and your hand is the same. So why sometimes I can draw something and you can't? Because I know how to look. So what I'm going to show you is what I'm thinking how you look. So here is a little rabbit, right? So when you look, you say, okay, you look at the head, that's a circle, right? Okay, after circle, it's kind of like a long oval, a body, right? Here. Then after this, that's kind of another oval, right? After a oval, there's kind of a weird shape here. And then there's another thing right here. And here's another weird shape here. And here is, here we go. That's how you look. Because when you are not drawing, you're looking things, you don't need to pay too much attention. You just know what things are. Like you're looking at a cup on the table, you would say, oh, that's a cup on the table, right? But you don't need to know and is a what color of the cup, is a tall cup or short cup, and you just know what that's a cup on the table, right? So when you're looking at this rabbit and you're looking at this, you say, okay, that's a circle. So you don't, normal people, you don't need to know it's what kind of oval that is, right? So for me, when I look at the oval, first I'm thinking, okay, I think the oval actually is a little bit pointed on the top. It's kind of like this, right? It's not like perfect oval, right? And also it's kind of tilted, so here is another one like this. That's not tilted, right? This kind of tilted, right? Kind of tilted. So I recognize that. Then remember, don't push. Do not push, okay? Taught you guys lots of times we needed to have this habit to not push. Don't hold your pencil too in front. So when I look in that oval, I try like this. So see, the top is a little bit pointed, right? And this line is a little bit slanted like this way. So the head slanted a little. So that's how I did the oval. So if you think, oh, that's a good one, if you want to darken it, is okay. Here, now you can darken it, right? Now, when I see another kind of oval shape on the bottom, I'm just not just random draw a shape here, right? And what I do is still like I look how I look. So I look where this start and how long, right? So when I notice that, so I notice start here and start here, then it's about like this shape. So here, that's all about where you look, right? If you look, you definitely can draw it out. It's not that hard. Then after this, when I drawing this oval, I make sure I still look, see, before you draw, you look, you think, right? Before you put your pencil on the paper, there's a process of looking and thinking, right? So cannot be that fast. I find some of you draw very fast because you just react. You don't look carefully. You don't think where to play these things. You just react. Oh, draw a circle and oval like everywhere you want, right? Like about there, right? Oh, sorry about it. Okay, so now when I'm looking at this oval, I realized, see, all from my looking and thinking, I realized kind of a half of this, right? You can tell, right? So now I say, okay, half of this, then that little bit over here, and this one meets here. Yeah, I get another one. See, it's not hard, but takes time to look and think, right? I know in the beginning it's kind of hustle, but you needed to build this habit to looking, to thinking. Then later on, like when I drawing now, I don't need to tell me to do that. My brain just automatically do everything all together, right? So I can draw very fast without thinking too much. But right now, when you just start drawing, starting to get this habit, you need to take your time, make sure you did all the process before you put your pencil down. Okay, so this process, okay, where the start, how far this go, that's how I look. The pink parts I put there is where I'm looking. Okay, that's where my eye go. So that I process in my head. So here, start, that's one, right? So I go, okay, then go in a little bit there. Okay, here you go, another feet, right? No, 1 feet, not another feet. Then this leg, of course, where is located, where the start, where the end, what the shape is. Then here we go. Look, it's not that hard when you slow down, look, think where you put that, right? And also, you can put break lots of parts to draw things. You don't need to draw like that, okay? If you can't do it start finding the right place to start, right? Where is that located? Then how long that is, right? Then here you go. Then you can meet here, right? That's one. Then the other two, and how far that goes. I find this maybe need to move a little bit here because I don't have an eraser. Just let it go like that. Okay, here you go. Maybe a little bigger here. Look, in the whole process, I'm looking, I'm thinking. Okay, so it's totally different than what you just look randomly, circle, oval, another oval, a feet. Yeah, those things all is good, right? But it just doesn't match. It's oval, but it's not detailed. It's not detailed, it's not correct. So how you make it correct? Very easy. Slow down, look first, then think what that shape is. Because Even a head, they have big head, a small head, right? Even a circle, they have big circle, small circle. For example, I have student draw the lily pad. It's very funny. So there was like lots of lily pad, looks like this, right? Lots of lily pad on the water. And there was like a frog or something right here, right? So then he was drawing the lily pad. Then I saw he drawing the lily pad like this. Okay, like that. Okay, that's oval, right? This is oval too, but I'm like, okay, how that related? This is standing up, right? But he thinks he's drawing an oval. That's what I'm talking about. You just naming a thing in your head. Okay, oval. Like you see a circle like this big, then you say, oh, that's a circle. Then you put on your page, circle. So it's a circle. It's a big circle or small circle, right? Where the circle located on the paper. All that you have to look carefully and think and then put on your paper. Okay, that's it.